So the first thing we'll do is to find the minimum value of this function in terms of c. So for a general quadratic function, the x-coordinate of the vertex, which is also same as the axis of symmetry, is minus b over 2a. So in this case, b is minus 4c. So we first find the x-coordinate, and a is 1, so that's 2c. To find the y-coordinate of the vertex, we just plug it in. Now there is a formula for the y-coordinate of the vertex, and I don't always remember it. I mean, I am familiar with it, which is this, or it's also written in this form. So I just try not to memorize this personally. I think it's easy. I always find that finding the x-coordinate of the vertex and plugging it in is easier. So that's the choice I've made. So if I plug in 2c here, this will give us the minimum value of this function f. So that's 4c squared minus 8c squared plus 8c. That becomes minus 4c squared plus 8c. So that's the min value. Because note, this is an upward opening parabola. This is a downward opening parabola. We need to find the max value. Again, find the x-coordinate of the vertex, which is minus 3c, because that's b, over a. So that's 3c over 2. And we plug it back in. So I have squaring that value, minus 3c over 2. So it's actually negative here. So this would be, yeah, watch out for those signs here. So that's minus 9c squared over 4 plus 9c squared over 2 minus 2c. I'll multiply this by 2 over 2. Now we have the same denominator. This is 18c squared minus 9c squared, so that would become 9c squared over 4 minus 2c. So that's the max value, and the condition is this needs to be greater than that. So before I go into the answer choices, I'll clean this up a little bit more. Move that here. 10c is greater than 9c squared over 4 plus 4c squared. This becomes 25c squared over 4, and then divide by 5. And then I end up with, so all this work to end up here. I will not be solving this inequality. You can, but because I have the answer choices here, I'll just simply plug them in and see which one satisfies this. So if I plug in 2, that's 20 is not less than 16, so that's out. If I plug in half, this is 1/4. That is 5 over 4 is indeed less than 4, so that one is the answer. And just to make sure, I will test the other ones as well in the exam. So 5 times 1/4 less than 8 times minus half. No, because it's a negative number here. And same thing will happen with minus 2. This would be negative, this would be positive. So the answer is choice B. So as I said earlier, you could use the formula for the y-coordinate of the vertex directly, which would mean, applying that would mean here a is 1, c is 8c, b squared would be 16c squared over 4. And you'll see that if you divide this by 4, you will get 8c minus 4c squared, which is what I have. So it's your call if you want to memorize this or that. I personally don't. I think for me, just knowing the x-coordinate of the vertex is enough. So maybe that will save a little bit of time. So to summarize, the answer is B.